Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Going to talk to you a little bit about my e-course, Hobby to Hustle. Let me ask you, you're making jewelry and I'm sure it's beautiful. Have you ever thought that maybe that jewelry could pay some bills? That's what I'm talking about. In our course, Hobby to Hustle, we want to take you from where I was a while ago to where I am now, which is I started out making jewelry because, first of all, I was stressed at my job. I really needed to get a promotion because I had bills to pay, and I was good at the job. I worked really hard, but they would not give me that promotion. And I got so stressed out about it that I couldn't even sleep at night. So I was up walking the floor at night, so upset because of how they would treat me on the job. And I discovered this jewelry making. And what happened is I started, when I would wake up at night because I was upset, I started making jewelry. And that calmed me down. It gave me peace. It gave me a little satisfaction. So I was able to make some jewelry and then go to bed and get up the next morning and go back to that job that was mistreating me. And what happened after that is I started making jewelry and wearing what I was making, and people started commenting on it and wanting to buy it and said, "Oh, you should sell this." And I did. I made so many mistakes in the beginning. They say, "Oh, go to the flea market, go this place, go that place." So, I ran around, not really doing so well at first, but I finally got into my groove. I found my people. I found my people that loved what I did and were willing to pay for it. And what I do in Hobby to Hustle is I kind of uh, take you past some of those mistakes that I made. I give you a blueprint on how to go step by step to learn to make money with your jewelry. I just really believe that in this time and place that everybody needs some kind of a side hustle. You might be still working full time, you might be retired, but it doesn't hurt to have a little extra money coming in. And you can do that with the beautiful jewelry that you already make. You just need to know how to get it out there to your people. Everybody has to find their people now because, you know, everything isn't for everybody, but I can help you to find the people that love what you do. That's what we do in Hobby to Hustle. So we still have a pre-launch period now. Um, the full price of the course is $97, but between now and October 15th, you can get it at the pre-launch price, which is $47. We're going to have a link in the description of the video to take you to the pre-launch. Even though we're in the pre-launch stage, you can still go into the course. In fact, I'm putting this out to my subscribers so you can get first dibs on it and get it at the pre-launch price. We're going to have calls with you to walk you through what you're doing. We have 6 modules of really, really rich information. We have a workbook for you. We have all kinds of extra information. And then inside the course, it's on a platform called School. And inside that platform, we're going to have all kinds of extra goodies for you. So come on and join my e-course Hobby to Hustle. You will not regret it. And you get me. you get all of my expertise, and you get access to so much of what I have, so much of my supplies and all of that. And we're going to offer special discounts inside the course. So there's just so much that because it's a community. We are developing a community, and we all want to help each other. If you have ever been on my Tuesday live subscriber chats, you'll know that we are a community that helps each other. So, all right. check out Hobby to Hustle. Come on and get in at the pre-launch price. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.